Myself, Dr. Ganesh Maurya, a private practitioner from Mumbai. Right now, I am having my 3 clinics in Mumbai. I am working over there, and so yes, this event is something that I love teaching, and because my expertise is in endo, so that's why I take most of the workshops are related to endo, and that's where I get to interact with my friends and many participants all over the India. Endohaveli, as it was founded 6 years ago, and it started from approximately 10 to 15 members, but right now after 6 to 7 years we have approximately 70,000 members in our Endohaveli. So it was already a big platform, but right now as it have got associated with Dentalkart, which is itself a giant in the field of dentistry. So right now what I am looking for, that Endohaveli as a platform with Dentalkart, we can aim much higher, and a few years down the lane we will be I think we should cross approximately more than 1.5 lakhs participants, and all over the world people might join us on our platform.